Hey guys, so we're in the new Ikea that was just open back in December, and yeah, looks like any other Ikea, but this is a cool part. Hold on. I never knew that they had a ball pit for children. That's freaking awesome. If I was a child, yes. Oh, I like this one. Nice and cozy. Neutral colors. But yeah, I could never keep it like bare and minimum like this. I got too much stuff. This one is so comfortable. You see myself laying on that. No, I can't afford stuff like that. I can afford stuff like this. He said he likes this area, the dark area. Of course he would like it. All dudes like, you know, monotone. I mean, I kind of do too, but I don't know. I have an obligation to keep it clean if I go all monotone. This is my style. Cute, bright. I think it's supposed to be a kid's room, but whatever. Girly girl. Aw, I used to have that tree in our old apartment in Japan. Now I have a prettier tree. But that one is still the classic. My very first tree decal. Every time I record you like stop talking. Right, babe? What the heck is this? What is that cable? Oh, cable organizer. Huh? I was like, what is this hose doing here? That bookshelf. It's only 25 bucks. That's pretty cheap. It's like taller than me. See, last chance. 70 bucks. What is that? Nah, it's still expensive. Huh? These lights are so pretty. Excuse me. The Starbucks went down the wrong hole. God, my boobs are so itchy right now. 9 cents. I love it when I find stuff and oh, we already have those. Do it again. You guys, he almost fell down that chair. My cutie. So this thing is pretty cool. I saw someone pull on it before. Sugoi! See, it transformed. You want more light? Or dimmer light. Neato! Here's the cafeteria. I can smell the food. Carpet is so cute. It's like a little girl's room. A little bed, little pink bed that costs as much as our bed. Haha. New things. Yes, the restaurant. Yes, kids eat free, but we ain't got no kids. Vegetable balls. How does it look to you, babe? Might be good. I hope so. This dude asked me if I can walk on top of these Ikea carts. Well, hell no. Here's our beautiful carpet. It's 50 bucks. Pretty. This is the mirror I want, but it's $75. I don't want to pay $75. But the cool thing about it is you can hang stuff behind there. Isn't it neat? Warehouse. We're nearing the exit. Alright, so we're heading out now. Not getting anything, but he hasn't been to the Ikea in the city. So I just thought I'd take him today. But yes, see you guys next time. Bye.